Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can grant permission for apps to run in background. It's simple. Simply start by opening Settings. Then click on Privacy. After getting this results, simply go on the left, then click on Background Apps. And now as you can see, permission to use your background app is turned off, so simply turn this button on to grant the permission to use it. And now as you can see, all the background apps have permission to properly function. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.